You are welcome to class. Today we want to look at this topic, law of contract. I want to examine first nature and classification of contract. Now let us define a contract. A contract is a legally binding and enforceable agreement. A contract is a legally binding and enforceable contract. Contract between parties. So it is a legally binding and enforceable contract between parties. That is a contract, an agreement which a court must recognize as affecting the legal rights and duties of parties to it. So where people or two people